we are filming in a new space today, and I actually really like it. I hope you guys like it too. The door's open though because Loki's going in and out outside. It's actually pretty gloomy. There's some rain, and I hope you guys liked the cozy little intro today. But it's haul time. It's Monday. Y'all know what that means. Food DIYs to share with you guys, but actually one of them was supposed to be for St. Patty's Day, and what held me up and what caused this problem was Rolos. I saw this picture on Pinterest and I was like, I can definitely recreate that getting things from Dollar Tree. So I'll throw up the picture here for you guys to see. And then I popped into our store and I was like, okay, let me find the items. So I picked up a set of these little plastic cups, some marshmallows. So I also found these Jet Puffs. They're actually not my favorite. I did get these at Dollar Tree. And then I picked up the Skittles so that we could make the rainbow part. And like I said, it was the Rolos that kind of caused this to kind of happen. I really liked how it looked in the photo, and so I didn't end up finding it at Dollar Tree, even though I've seen it at my Dollar Trees before. And I kept kind of putting it off because I really wanted to get it from Dollar Tree, and then I was like, okay, I'm getting closer to St. Patty's Day, so I tried my grocery store. They didn't have it. And then by the time I found it at Walmart, it's obviously passed. But there's that. And then a few hauls ago, I hauled this, if you remember, and I hauled it for the yellow, so just to kind of like match the photo. So I'll go ahead and insert the clip here of me constructing this cute little cup of candy. And yeah, I mean, it definitely has that St. Patty's Day, but it's still super cute, especially if you want to do maybe like a rainbow themed party. This could still be adorable and fit into that, you know, theme. So the first thing that I picked up was another mailer item. You definitely be on the lookout at Dollar Tree because their mailing game has definitely been stepped up. This one right here is new to me. I've never seen them do like the photo mailer before. So I also found some Yardley hand lotion. They also make the soaps, but I feel like this is the first time I've seen hand lotion available. And I love this brand. Here's another one. We've got English Lavender. And like the cream color, I think is like their signature. It's also in their like box soap, but the English Lavender looks so good. And the bottle's already so pretty. These I'm definitely going to put in my guest bathroom. And then I think that I had a third option as well. Yeah, there's another option, and it is oatmeal and almond. This is just normal refill stuff for me. I always buy my loofahs at Dollar Tree, so these were the three that I picked up. And this was actually part of the bonus section. It was $3, as you can see. So I got 2 of them. But look at this print. Like, I just could not, it's the same thing. I could not pass up on this. Oh my god, and it has like a velvet material to it. It's so nice. Like, I cannot believe how gorgeous this ribbon is. I know I missed Valentine's Day for this, but I knew as soon as I saw it, I just know myself. I was just like, you know what, it's worth it. And I got 2 rolls. Now I'm kind of wishing I got more because it's so pretty. I like to find new snacks and try them out for you guys and let you know. I actually just had somebody send me a message talking about the wafers that I tried a while back. And I remember, like, they were so freaking delicious. And she messaged me, she was like, oh my god, they're amazing. And I think she found strawberry and was looking for vanilla, or vice versa. But yeah. So then I found these scrumptious wafer rolls. So this has a chocolate cream filling. Then I found peanut butter cream filling, and then I found hazelnut. Oh, packaging is really cute. It's different, you know, from like the tin can ones. So this one is hazelnut. I'm just smelling it just so you guys can kind of like see. It smells good. The hazelnut is really good. It doesn't taste exactly like the one that I usually buy, but it's really good. All right, now I'm gonna go in for the chocolate one, which I don't know how much I'm gonna like this one because I tend to prefer the hazelnut. but it is filled with a ton of the filling, so. Okay, the chocolate one is really good. I did not think I was gonna like it because, again, I always buy hazelnut, and I've tried the other ones. They even have like a white chocolate one, and I never really liked that one. I thought it was too sweet, but holy crap, these are good. And they're really pretty too. I think they just look beautiful. They'll be great in a gift basket too. All right, now peanut butter, which I don't know how much I'm gonna like this. I'm not a huge peanut butter fan, but let's give it a go. It's the same exact packaging. There's a lot in here. This one seems to be really like flaking apart. It smells like peanut butter, like straight up. It tastes just like peanut butter, actually. Definitely try these. That's what I'm gonna say. I think that if you are a huge peanut butter lover, I feel like you're gonna love this because it doesn't taste like cheap peanut butter. It doesn't taste stale. It tastes like peanut butter. It's really good. I do like peanut butter. I'm like one of those people where I like peanut butter in a traditional form. I don't necessarily love eating it kind of outside of that, unless it's like Reese's Pieces, and then like that's kind of my limit. Does that make sense? Then I found this candle, which I thought was so interesting just because of the packaging. I have not even seen what this looks like on the inside. I just said, I'll unbox it on camera. So let's see. Oh my gosh, how cute. It looks just like the packaging. And actually, I think what got me, if my camera would focus today, what got me is I think that it says it's a soy. Essence oil scented soy candle. So 100% vegan. It is petroleum free. It contains no paraffin waxes, no synthetic dyes, no artificial scents, and no harmful phthalates. And then I actually saw Dollar Tree post this on their Instagram. They posted a bunch of their fidgets, but one of them was a bracelet. And I was like, oh, I have to find the bracelet for my niece. And so I'm gonna include this in her Easter basket. I don't wanna open it because, you know, I only bought this one. Loki's outside running in the rain. Oh my God, I gotta show you. Loki, what are you doing? Come on, it's pouring. It's pouring rain. Come on now, get out of the rain. Is that a no or? Oh my God. Then I found this little piece right here under Crafter Square, and it is an embroidery needle bundle. I'm curious as to why it says bundle. Look at this cute little, yeah, you know, if you're working, you put your needles. My grandmother, by the way, used to be a seamstress. So there's that. All right, then I found some smartphone. Do you just think you can be out in the rain and frolic? Is that what you think? He's like, why yes. Is that a problem? All right, so I found some smartphone accessories. So, wait, do I have the packaging? I don't know. Anyway, so these are what I found. So these two are the same product, and they are a smartphone selfie light. And I was just like, wait a damn minute now. It does have the Dollar Tree logo on there. So I'm gonna insert a clip and attach it to my cell phone and show you guys what it's supposed to look like. You get a white option and a pink option. And then this black one right here is a wide angle smartphone lens, which I do remember a while back Dollar Tree had something like this, but I don't think it was a Dollar Tree brand at the time. So this does have the Greenbrier logo on it, and I think what you're supposed to do is put it over your camera, and then you get like a wide angle view essentially. So it'll be look at these beautiful colors. I love the amber glass. This one has been like my newest obsession lately in the house, and it has a little cork top and a cute little like metal charm to it. So adorable. And then there's this beautiful blue color and a clear glass. All three of these are in my color palette, so I've got to find a spot for them. They also kind of give me a little bit of vintage vibes, a little bit, even though there's not a label. But I'm gonna do something with them. I think they'll look really good somewhere in the library. So I'm gonna put those aside. I would definitely say to run and get these for some Easter basket fillers and goodies. So you can see here, it kind of looks like a little PlayStation controller a little bit. You get the yellow and the blue, and then you essentially push these little buttons, and it makes the water push those little things up, and I think you're supposed to get them into the point, if my camera would focus, into the point of the like the starships. What? How cute. Oh, I got one. Why am I so excited? I got two. Anyways, so there's that. These are amazing, you guys. Definitely go get them. But yeah, they're gonna go in my niece's basket. Not my nephew, he's 6 months old. Like, you know, he's just gonna be able to put it in his mouth. So there's that. And then I found some more of the micro little Happy Planner dupes. I definitely think these are dupes because it's got the same exact look, the same exact like rings, even with like the cutouts on the inside looking like hearts. If you can kind of see that heart shape right there. So super cute, and I found 4 of these. So I'm gonna show you guys all of the print options. So you get a beautiful floral, some geometrics, and the bumblebee, and then the little pandas. I'm gonna go ahead and just open one of these up so that you guys can kind of see what the inside looks like. But essentially it's like a little mini planner. So if you're already into things like the Happy Planner, you probably have some inserts for this of your own, because that's what's so cool about this style of planner is you can literally move stuff straight out of it without ripping anything, because it has, and it also has the exact same punch out as the Happy Planner. So if you have the Happy Planner punch, then here you go. Like, that's just gonna be perfect. So they are super cute. And if you've never seen a planner this small, while you're on YouTube, Happy Planner Micro Planner, and then just kind of like see the world of all the women out there that use this little small planner. So anyways, they have them at Dollar Tree. Is that not so adorable? So we got those. And then I also found some brand new oh Lord. Jesus, take the wheel. I've been living here basically my whole life, and I never get used to that. So I am right next to a window, so now it's kind of a little bit loud, but we're almost at the end. So I found these adorable little trinket trays, and they are pretty darn cute, you guys. You definitely have to go grab these. What? Not that cute little cat? Also, for some reason, I'm getting Harry Styles with this. I don't know why. Like, my daughter's obsessed with him. Maybe it's like the glasses or something. Not that he coined glasses. And then in the gardening section, I found these. If you are planting your own herbs in your garden, you have to go on the hunt for these. These are so cute. Like, you can just see straight away how darling they are. But here's what they look like one by one. So you get the little stake and it has a little curl, and then each of them have a different tag. So this is for time, like what? And if you wanted to, by the way, you could paint over this and write your own thing if you wanted to. Then we have mint. What? Y'all, how freaking adorable is that? The pink one is going to be basil. So there's that. And then the yellow one is parsley. Oh my gosh. And the white one is cilantro. Like, I just feel like to Dollar Tree, because honestly that is very adorable. And also part of the gardening section, which I saw this and I said, no, wait a damn minute, what the hell is this? Okay, and looking at it now, you still, like, there's no picture or anything, but at Dollar Tree, underneath it, they did show a picture. So this is like a bird feeder or even a squirrel feeder. That's actually how they had it labeled, was a squirrel. So this was basically screwed in to a tree base, a tree trunk, okay? So, and then the horse kind of sticks out, and then right here, they give you the screws and everything, but then you can put like a corn on the cob, essentially, for squirrels. They'll just like come up and eat the corn. I was just like, what? Yeah, it says squirrel feeder. It does not say bird feeder. I mean, it says bird over here, but it's labeled as a squirrel feeder. And I was just like, okay, now that's actually really adorable. I only found the horse, by the way. All right, so it's a good thunderstorm. The rain is hitting the windows. It's probably pretty loud. I really don't know. It's loud to me, so I won't know until editing whether or not this audio is okay. But that is gonna be it for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.